Hey everyone, welcome back to Better Avec Bourbon. Today we're making a Mexican El Diablo and a Batanga. So go grab your favorite fizz glassware. You're going to need Mexican Coke, salt, ginger beer, tequila, creme cassis or Chambord, and lime juice. After displaying everything proudly, clean it up and let's get to it. First, let's make the Mexican El Diablo. Start by filling your glass about halfway with ginger beer. Then add about 1.5 ounces of tequila. A 1/2 ounce of lime juice, top with ice, and then add a 1/2 ounce of creme de cassis, or in my case, Chambord. I like Chambord because it's shelf stable and there's a lot less accessibility to creme de cassis where I am. Slowly pour in your reddish purple liquid. And garnish with a dried lime wheel. After you've made your drink look like a scene from Jaws, it's time for the Batanga. A refreshing tequila and Mexican cola drink. Clean off your bar mat and start by grabbing 2 bowls for adding your salt rim. Fill one generously with salt, and I mean generously to ward off evil spirits. Grab your lime juice that's been pre-juiced for consistency and for easier salt rims. Pour about 1/4 ounce of lime juice in. Similar to batter, start with wet ingredients, the lime juice, swirling for even coating. And then thoroughly add salt to your rim so it looks nice and full around the top. About 500 spins to be safe. Then give it a few light slams at the end because I can't stand flakes. Start by adding a 1/2 ounce of lime juice, so the first thing you slurp is some tequila. Then add in 1.5 ounces of tequila. I like the El Tradicional Jose Cuervo, but you do you. Then struggle to add your ice and break about 10 food safety violations. Grab your Mexican Coke, or in my case, Doritos Mexican Cola. Open it and pour about 4 ounces of Coke down the hatch. Careful to catch it in slow-mo. And slowly, so as not to lose your fizz. Then give it a gentle stir with your straw before placing it. Cheers.